If you're looking to purchase a new home here in the state, you'll need to have a few options in mind when it comes to insuring it. Allstate and State Farm are no longer issuing new home or property insurance policies in California. 23 ABC's Breanna Polk spoke to a local insurance broker about this development and shares tips for first-time home buyers, including more about a home insurance option you may have to consider.
Allstate and State Farm's new homeowner insurance policies have been put on pause to continue the protection of current customers, but also due to an increase of construction costs. And that is why local insurance companies are informing new homeowners about what they need to do.
I think a lot of people are talking to the insurance commissioner and letting him know how dire the situation is in California. I mean, I've been in the insurance industry for over 25 years and I have never seen it this bad.
Trinae Smart, owner of Get Smart Insurance Agency, says the cost of materials when it comes to the construction of a home has gone up due to inflation. She adds in the past it would cost $5,000 to make repairs from a claim, and now it's costing around $10,000 on top of supply chain issues from the effects of the pandemic.
We have an insurance commissioner that he is pro-consumer. However, it's not working out well for the companies because they're not, they're in business to make money. And if they can't get the rate increases that they need, then they're going to stop writing. And so that's what a lot of the companies have done. They've been trying to get rate increases for, I would say, about 3 years.
Smart says now that two of the state's top leading insurance companies have put a hold on new insurance policy applications, people will more than likely go the local route, a route she encourages new homeowners to embark on as soon as possible, adding that Get Smart is just one of the many home insurance options that are available here in Kern.
But the one thing that I would say to any of our customers is that they shop early. In other words, don't wait until you get into escrow to call us. Call us the minute that you know you're going to buy that house. Or like if most companies send out renewals 30 to 45 days before. And so if you're getting non-renewed, you need to call us the minute that you get that non-renewal notice to give us the time to shop for you and to be able to get the best pricing that we can.
And if you're a new homeowner looking to get more information about these changes, you can visit us online at turntwo23.com. In Bakersfield, I'm Breanna Polk, 23 ABC News, connecting you.
Taking a closer look now at some advice from the state insurance department about what to do if you lose housing coverage. Contact your insurance company and ask if there's anything you can do to mitigate risk and regain coverage. File a complaint with the Department of Insurance. Start shopping for replacement insurance as soon as possible. And you can contact the Department of Insurance toll-free at 1-800-927-4357 for more information.